Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the power saving mode on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and select the option called Smart Manager. Here tap on battery, and right here we have category called power saving mode, and we have this button called turn on maximum power saving mode. Tap on it, and here we can customize our power saving mode. We can enable or disable the options to use the background network usage and limit our CPU speed like that, and we can also change the brightness decrease, I believe, or not. We can't really change it. Okay, and once you're done customizing your options, tap on apply to enable the power saving mode. And here we have it. The power saving mode is enabled. And to exit this mode, we need to tap on this icon right here to open the menu and tap on the turn off maximum power saving mode and wait until the mode is done disabling itself. Like this. And that's how you enable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.